Happy morning, children. Welcome to our next session in subtraction. The last session we have learned how to subtract a two-digit number from another two-digit number. In this session, we are going to learn how to subtract the larger numbers, that is, the three-digit number in hundreds and with four-digit numbers, that is in thousands. Let's see how. While subtracting, you should always remember that you should subtract a smaller number from a greater number. Keep in mind a smaller number from a greater number. Let us recall the important terms in subtraction. Say for example, you want to subtract 456 minus 112. 456, the greater number from which you are subtracting is called the minuend. And the smaller number which we are subtracting is called the subtrahend. Here 123 is the subtrahend. And after subtracting, you will get the answer right. That answer is called the difference in subtraction. Let us begin the first sum without regrouping in three digits. First sum, we want to subtract 486 minus 235. So we want to subtract 235 from 486. So always first write the place values, ones, tens, hundreds. First write the first number 486. You want to subtract 235. So write it. We'll start from the ones place, 5 ones, 3 tens, 2 hundreds. You want to subtract, so put the subtraction symbol minus. Now let us subtract. As in addition, same way you should start only from the ones place. You should always start from the ones place. 6 minus 5. So how we will subtract, children? Last session ma'am taught you, right? So you have to open up 6 fingers. Let me draw the lines here. You have to open up 6 fingers in your hand. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In that you have to fold 5 fingers. I'm crossing here. You fold the 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is left over there? 1. So 6 minus 5 is 1. Same way, go for the tens place. 8 minus 3. So what you have to do? You have to open up how many fingers? 8 fingers. Let me draw the lines here. 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 8 fingers, how much you want to fold? 3. So fold 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. So how much is left over in your hand? How many fingers you have raised up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your answer is 5. Now move on to the 100th place. 4 minus 2. So how many fingers you want to raise up? 4 fingers. I'm drawing the lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you want to fold 2 fingers. I'm cutting here 2. You fold 2 fingers. So how many fingers you have raised? Left over? 2. So the answer, the difference is, the difference of 486 and 235 is 251. Is it clear, children? Good. Now move on to a subtraction sum with 4 digits. 4 digits means it is in thousands. Let us subtract 5934 minus 2313. So as usual, what is the procedure? Write the place values, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 4 digit means till thousands you should write. Write the first number 5934. Write the second number. You should start from the ones place. 3, 1, 3, 2. Put the minus symbol because this is subtraction. Shall we start subtracting? Yes. Start from the ones place. 4 minus 3. So open up the fingers, 4 fingers. Out of that, 3 you have to fold. So the leftover is 1. Next, go to the tens place. 3 minus 1. So how many fingers you have to raise up? 1, 2, 3 fingers raise up. In that 1 you have to fold. So the leftover is 2. Move to the 100th place. 9. So how many fingers you have to raise up? 9 fingers. So I'm drawing the lines here. You raise up 9 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In that, how many fingers you have to fold? 3 fingers. Fold 3 fingers. So what is left over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 9 minus 3 is 6. Finally comes to the thousands place. 5 minus 2. So how many fingers you have to raise up now? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In that, how many fingers you have to fold? 2. So how many are left over? 3. So what is this answer called, children? Difference. So in subtraction, the answer in division, answer for subtraction is called difference. So the difference between 5934 and 2313 is 3621. Is it clear, children? Let's see one more example. 6896 minus 2453. So first write the place values: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So write the first number 6896. Then write the second number, which is also has the same 4 digits. So 2453. You have to subtract, so put the minus symbol. So start from the ones place. 6 minus 3. So 6 fingers you have to raise up. In that you want to fold 3 fingers. So what is left over? How many fingers raise up now? 3. Next, go to the tens place. 9 minus 5. So how many fingers you have to raise up, children? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In that, how many fingers you want to fold? 9 minus 5. So fold 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you fold 5 fingers, the leftover is 4. So your answer is 4. Next, 100th place. 8 minus 4. So how many fingers you want to raise up? 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In that 8, how many you want to fold? 4. So 8 minus 4 is again same 4 only. Right. Then move on to the thousands place. Thousands place you have 6 minus 2. So how many fingers you want to raise up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 2. So you want to fold 2 fingers. So how many fingers raised up now? 4. So the answer is 4. So what is this called? This is called the difference. So the difference between 6896 and 2453 is 4443. Is it clear, children? Next, now we'll go for subtraction with regrouping. Already in the last session ma'am told you in 2-digit numbers, right? Same way we are going to subtract by regrouping using 3 digits. Let's say for example you want to subtract 535 minus 218. Okay. So same procedure, write the place values: ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, write the first number 535. Write the second number 218. Now put the minus symbol. Now you want to subtract. Yes, the procedure is first you should start from the ones place. Oh my god, 5 minus 8. 5 is a smaller number than 8. So how can you subtract 8 from 5? So 5 is small. So now what does 5 say? No, this 5 will say to this 3. Hey 3, you have 3 tens. No, please give me 1 tens. So naturally when your friend asks you something, you will give, right? It is good to give to somebody, right? So this 3, what this 3 will do is, okay, no problem, don't bother, I'll give you 1 tens to you. So what happens here is, this 3 tens give away 1 tens to this ones place. So already 5 is here. So when the 3 gives one more 10 to this, 10 plus 5, this will become 15. And 3 has given 1 tens, right? So 3 has become 2. Is it clear, children? So as this 5 is small, it cannot subtract 8. So it is borrowing 1 from the next number. So this 5 will become 15 now, and this 3 will become 2. Now you want to subtract 15. You want to subtract 8 from 15. So go for backward counting. Before 15, till 8 you have to count backward. So before 15 it is 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So till 8 you have to count backward. Now see how many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. So 15 minus 8 is 7. Is it clear, children? Next go to tens place. Tens place you have only 2 minus 1. So 2, raise up 2 fingers and fold 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Then move to the 100th place. 5 minus 2. So open up 5 fingers and fold 2 fingers. So the leftover is 3. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So the answer is 317. Is it clear, children? Now in the same sum, I am going to do the same sum with a different technique. Let's see if it is easy for you, you can follow that. Now we did by backward counting, right? Actually you can subtract by forward counting also. Let me teach you. See, ones, tens, hundreds. I am writing the first number 535. I am writing the second number 218 minus. Now let's see how to subtract. I hope you understand this. First I want to subtract the ones place. 5, you cannot subtract 8, the bigger number, from the smaller number 5. So you will borrow 1 from the tens place. So what will happen? This 5 will become 15 and this 3 will become 2. Correct? No? Till this is okay. Now 15 minus 8 actually you did by backward counting, right? But you can do the same by forward counting also. How? You have to keep this 8 in your mind. 8 in your mind till you get 15. You have to count forward. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So after 8 till 15 you have to forward count. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how much lines I have drawn? 7. So 7 is the answer. Is it clear? Yes. 2 minus 1 is 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. So 317 is the answer. Let me do one more sum so that it will be very clear for you. See, you want to subtract 694 minus 237. So write the place values: ones, tens, hundreds. I am writing the first number 694, second number 237 minus. So I have put the minus symbol. Now subtract. So as usual, start from the ones place. 7 is a bigger number than 4. So you cannot subtract 7 from 4. So 4 will borrow 1 from the tens place. So 9 will be giving 1 to 4. So this 9 will become 8 tens. And 4 got 1 tens extra. So already 10 plus 4, this is 14. So now we want to subtract 7 from 14. So what you have to do? You have to keep this 7 in your mind. Keep 7 in your mind. After 7 till 14 you have to count. So after 7, 8, raise your fingers and count. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many fingers you have raised? 7. So 14 minus 7 is 7. Clear, children? Next, 8 minus 3. So raise up 8 fingers, fold 3. So the leftover is 5. Next, the 100th place, 6 minus 2. So raise up 6 fingers, fold 2. So you'll get 4. So the answer is 457. Is it clear, children? Thank you, children. Have a great day.